Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Price hasn't really moved a lot. I mean, yesterday Bitcoin sold off a bit, Ethereum sold off, Cardano as well, but didn't really participate much. It seemed very frozen. Even today, Bitcoin going up, Cardano isn't doing much, so it's really not moving at all. The two scenarios we discussed are still valid, and we talk about which levels need to be broken to make further upside much more likely, and so that price can follow here this yellow wave count. Overall, on the ADA chart, we are looking for a wave 5 to the downside here, which is still the primary scenario until price can prove to us that the yellow wave count is working out. The yellow wave count is the more bullish wave count. We're going to talk about that now. But overall, so I should really put that in white as well. So the idea is that of this swing high, which was made in April, we're coming down in this wave 5, and we're now here in a situation in which price is also moving up in a very corrective way off the 10th of June low, 3 waves only to that local high at 30.5 cents. Since then, price has, well, basically just moved sideways, but it has broken out of the wedge pattern to the downside, which has bearish implications, and any rally since then has been corrective. So it is reasonable to assume that the wave 5 of 5, so that last wave down, has started and that price could come down like this. Important signal that this is happening, or actually let's say not signal but a confirmation that we are indeed going down further and are going to make a new low around 17 to 20 cents, that's at least what I can see right now, would be a break below 23.8 cents. We talk about a sustained break below that orange 78.6 retracement, because there is of course a bullish scenario as well, but below that level, that bullish scenario will reduce significantly in likelihood. So at the moment I have to go with what I see, and the evidence I have on the chart suggests that another low is highly likely, given that the rally of the 10th of June low has only been in 3 waves to that 30.5 cent level. So the price itself is very weak. A lot of overlapping price action, which is corrective, which would lead to a preference of one more low, okay? And then price can start again with an impulse if it chooses to do so. Could it be something more bullish? Yes, and we talked about that as well. Therefore, I gave you here a few days ago this orange support area, which price respected. Price liked it, yeah, price reversed, and might be rallying now in the yellow wave count. Do I believe the yellow wave count? By the way, the yellow count would be the bullish count. We would say, okay, we had a wave 1 to the upside here, to the high at 30.5 cents, wave 2 to the downside, and the wave 3 could be unfolding right now, but we don't really see any clear wave 3 behavior yet, okay, because wave 3 would mean we are going very bullish. So it could very much indicate that this wave 2 is not even finished, and that we're doing an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave down. That's why we need to keep it very simple, and we say, okay, the yellow wave count has a chance as long as the 78.6 retracement level holds down here at 23.8 cents, the 78.6 fib level, and it needs to prove itself by rallying above 30.5 cents. Then we can focus on the yellow wave count much stronger, much more, and we would not only get a third wave up, we would get a wave 4 as well, which would be a shallow pullback after the wave 3, and we would get a wave 5 to the upside. And when we have wave 5 complete, it would be a larger wave 1, okay, and we would then get a deeper pullback but a higher low ideally, yeah, and would then take off completely. So the yellow count has a chance at the moment. However, price action doesn't really give us much confidence into it. So another low is still preferred. And yeah, there is not much more to add. So hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.